pretty
Tom the
girl.
Duck came to the rescue looking for love.
Hi, Bella. That's the mama.
When I was with mom, they absolutely
Wow! Ha ha ha!
Maricela the outcast is falling.
Maricela the outcast.
So is her best friend Jessica.
Chucky! Come here, Chuck! I'm Chuck! I'm Chuck!
That's my puppy. You like your hair, that's mine.
Bad boys from another
Doing here, what?
What
What did I do?
Drag nightmare.
I didn't pick him up with them, put him down. Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Hi, Ziggy. Whatever. Peanuts not happening. Peanuts my baby. Ziggy's night boy.
Dennis doesn't remember what he did last night. Where's that? Everyone else does.
Ziggy, move yourself before I have to put my hand on. Head on you.
Now it's festering.
Move it before I have to. I gotta put my head down. Yes. The one grabbing your hair. The one that's the whiny one, sweetie, she's grabbing your hair. That's the other baby, so she's the last two.
Jessica makes her move.
Yeah, which puppy's on my foot?
Will she steal Scott's baby from Maricela?
I Franklin. Attack the puppy!
Are you videotaping this? It's a check of the puppy!
Hi, Peanut!
What are you doing back here, Frankie?
Hi, Peanut!
Get her hair! Get her hair! Get her hair!
Hi, Peanut! Hey!
It's only been like hair. That one's still back there.
Here, right here. Which one's right here? Okay, you can play right here.
And Daisy's right here.
You can play right here.
Go by your hair.
That's dog hair! You're not videotaping my hair, you're videotaping my head.
You're videotaping both.
I got dogs for hair.
Why are you on my computer, doggy?
You're the one that's tickling me. Oh my god. Stop! Yeah, what are you doing over here? Get out here! Get my hair! Go back to my hair, not my head. Back to my hair. Charlie, you need to learn. Go back to my head. I got puppy for hair. This is the daddy of all of these puppies. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi, Charlie! Miss Daisy tickles. Ah! It's up to my face. Hi, people!
And then made it clear that
Oh my gosh, you puppies love
going around each person.
You pee on me, you're dead.
Being mean.
I'll pee on you.
India offended Solana to the point
Charlie, do that. Is it Charlie? Which one's this?
That's Frankie. Charlie's their dad.
Frankie, be good. Go my head.
I'm not surprised.
Woo!
How they like Genesis is this.
Puppy attack! Puppy attack at the computer! Oh, she just loves the camera. And it loves her back. She's a model.
Here at my house.
Here, this is the next puppy model. Sneaker. Peanut, get your butt back out here.
Do you think this is
Come here, Peanut.
Oh my god, the camera. You know like this you used to do when I wore jeans?
What? She used to pick me up by the belt loop.
You know what? I'm making you.
She's actually picked me up by my underwear before.
There. Now you can't get in there. Puppies. Puppies, you gotta know my kid. You gotta make it so the puppies. My butt's not in the kid. I got a puppy monster's gonna eat you. Yeah, you are puppy. Where are my two other puppies? There's Peanut. There's Ziggy. Wait, where's Pancake and Sweetie?
I was blown away that she was
Pancake might be under this chair. Pancake!
so he doesn't need anyone.
There they are. Yeah, they're under the chair. Sweetie just came out. Come here, Sweetie. Come here. Nothing. Ow! I stepped on the. My two babies. We love them. These are my two babies. Babies. Okay, what's this? There's a picture of me in here. I know there is somewhere. But that's my aunt in the clown car. There's a picture of me. Oh my gosh, I'm so. Oh my god, that's my sister. Holy crap, she looks adorable. She was evil back then. Look at her evil face. She looks evil with her face. Yes, she does. Do a dance, making it up. Get that. Oh! You evil dog! You ate the picture. Oh, that's my sister, my mom.
Listen, but I have not stay in the house.
No, you bite my mom, she'll bite you back. Trust me, she will. That's my sister, my mom. Her head's in a ponytail, she looks like a boy, but if you look at the picture, if you actually have the picture in front of you, she doesn't. But in the camera, she does. You guys should really buy these puppies. They're freaking sweet. And look at them, they're adorable. I would want to buy this, but I already have two at home, so no. There's me again. And my sister. That looks like my cousin. Where's my sister? Buy these puppies, they're freaking adorable! That's me. That's the person. Hey, Chuck. I mean, not Charlie. Whatever your face. Frankie. Look at Frankie, for instance. He's adorable. Nobody likes Frankie. Frankie's adorable.
Put the puppies away for a while.
The three that we took. There's my mom again. Here, these are three puppies we took. Yep. Let me see. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I had an idea who I wanted to take.
And there's that fat lady over there.
Most of the guys.
Yeah, okay. There's a picture of my grandma.
Daisy.
She got him. No, she didn't. Yeah, she did. She got behind her. That's Pancake. It's not Daisy. She is Daisy. This is Daisy. Right there.
Oh, you got three of them. Okay.
I told you. Bye, Grandma. Back to my book of pictures. My grandma. My dad. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really bad picture. Is that it was really sad? Yes. Apparently it's my mouth. Wait, is that me?
Where we go, Chuck?
Choose one of your fellow channel roads to join you for.
That's my grandma and my sister. That old hag with my sister. Just joking. I just joking. That's my grandma and my cousin Amy. As soon as I got no puppies in my hand, they walked at me.
Let's go get ready.
He died in a car crash. Very bloody, violent car crash. These puppies are the most adorablest. Peanut and Sweetie. Look at how cute they look. They can even dance. That's Clown. Beat the Clown. Beat the Clown. I'll kill you. Clown will kill. Clown will kill. Hi, Ziggy. I think it's called, or whatever. Something like that. I'll open up the cage. Just in case you want someone to go in. Yay, now I get to slap somebody because I couldn't slap Rachel! Woo! You can take the camera on my grandma. Hey, don't slap me! You're getting up the new mommy.
Dennis is out cold.
Ziggy is the most awesomest, but unfortunately, Marissa wants to keep him. Isn't that right, Ziggy?
I'm not going to be able to keep him. Come on.
Put your butt to the camera. Put your butt to the camera. Oh, that's so. You do not exploit my Ziggy like that.